I gotta be. That's reality. I float through gravity. The galaxy is more compatible with my mentality.
Yo, this video is gonna be about me showing how I make my own mineralized alkaline water in this glass jar right here. Now, I don't drink tap water, and the reason for that is because it's flooded with fluoride, aluminum, mercury, lead, parasites, bacteria, the list goes on. So I'm either drinking spring water or my own mineralized water. So I put it in here to try to stay away from the plastic, and I got my distiller machine coming as well, which is the closest thing to nature because you got your evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. In a distiller machine, that boiling water turns into a gas, steam, vapor. And then it cools off and then becomes a liquid and drops. And then it drops. So that's the water that you're drinking, and you just boiling the tap water. So that's coming soon. I don't have that, but until I do, I'm going to be drinking out of these distilled water jugs. And the reason being why I'm starting with distilled water is because it has 0 parts per million. It has 0 total dissolved solids in there, meaning it's stripped from its chemicals and its minerals. So that's why I remineralize it. The people that don't drink tap water, they resort to the purified water. Now, I pick spring water over purified water because the purified water has little to none minerals in it, when the spring water has the minerals in it for it, and it's alkaline as well. But like I said, I don't really trust the water providers, and I'm trying to stay away from plastic. So let's start the process. Let's start it. So here we go. I'm gonna show you what this come in at. This is the distilled water, which has 0 parts per million. This is a TDS, total dissolved solid meter. I would highly recommend this. This is how you know how many solids you got in your water. So we go ahead and test it. 0. See that? Chill up in there for a second. Come on. 0. Still 0. That's how that works. We're able to know that the water is pure. Right. I mineralize it with the Trace mineral drops. The brand Trace Minerals. Same thing. This is I put the electrolytes in it, of course, with the magnesium, chloride, sodium, and potassium, sulfate, boron. Then I got the zinc, which pretty much has the same things in this one. The boron, copper, pretty much the same thing. So I do the recommended dose. Now we're going to test how many total dissolved solids we have in the water now. Mineralized. 226 parts per million. That's good mineralized water. If I was to test the tap water now, it'd come in as 170, 174 is usually about that. So this is just a tad bit more mineralized with it, with no chemicals. All minerals. That tap water has chemicals. So, okay, we have that. Now I mineralized the water. Now I put some key lines in it to make it alkaline. Now, if I was to test the pH of this water now, it's not good. And the reason being is because key lines magically turn alkaline when they're in your body. As soon as they hit your metabolism, they turn alkaline. It's because of the alkaline minerals that the key lines possess, and it has. So, on usual fruits, like any other type of lime, the sugar outdoes those alkaline minerals. I just stick to the key limes, the plastic. Sooner or later, that those chemicals are gonna bleed into the water, especially when the sun is beaming on it. So, gotta stay away from that, and you gotta start somewhere. Peace.